Hey, little daredevil. You stuck? Where you going? Oh, is your foot stuck? Here. Just taking a dive bomb off her car. Goodbye. I'm over you. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Totally. I agree. You gonna go over? No. Too hard.
Daddy.
I love you too. I love you too. And she's off. Where you going? Yeah, somewhere more interesting than this boring place. Fail. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes. I agree. Okay.